Welcome to Quick Draw Toons with me, Al. Today we're going to be creating a cartoon robot, and for this you'll need a pencil, an eraser and a thin black pen. You can colour it in afterwards, and I'll show you a coloured example at the end of the video. And don't forget to pause the video if you need to catch up. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to start around here on your page. Your page should be portrait because the robot's going to be quite long. Okay, I'm going to do a line that comes up and along and then back down. Then slightly overlapping, line that comes across, slightly down, along, up again, and then along. And then do it. The bottom part of a rectangle. Remember, I'm not using a ruler because I don't want it to look too straight because it is a cartoon version of a robot. Okay, let's get these eyes. So I'm going to do a circle and then a gap and another circle like that, and then an outer circle. They don't have to be perfect, these circles, because remember, it's not a real robot. Little rectangle for the nose. Lots of rectangles and semicircles on this one. Semicircle, semicircle. Circle on the end. Circle on the end there. Some eyebrows. They can both go the same way. Bit of detail, some rivets or bolts. Get a couple more in there. Okay, that's pretty much the head done. Let's get the neck. Two lines that come down. And then a gentle curve around like that, and then we'll get two lines in here, two curved lines in there like that. Curve down like that and curve round to join those two together. Let's get the body in. So we're going to do it gently coming out like that. The same the other side, like that. Then it doesn't really matter what length your body is. They're all going to be slightly different, I'm sure. And then we'll do a circle in the middle, like you did with the eye. Circle around there. Okay. I'm going to do a semicircle. That. Shoulders. Get those arms. So we've got the thin arms here coming outwards. Same the other side, trying to keep it the same length, same size if you can. And then we'll do for the elbows just a circle. And then for the bottom part of the arms, we're going to come out slightly, like that. And then join that. Do the same this side. Join that. The hands we're going to do coming out, out, chunky fingers, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to join that by going like this, a curve, 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 and then another line in the middle, curve, each one like that. Do the same this side, come down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Curve, 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 and then a line in the middle, slightly curved, like so. Okay, get those legs now. So we're going to do again, like with the arms, do 2 thin ones, another 2 this side, thin ones. For the knee, bigger circle than you did with the elbows. And then what we're going to do is just gentle curve, curve, curve. Let's get another one in there actually. Let's make a few. Let's get a few more. A bit better. Let's do the same on this top part actually. Let's stick 3 in there, 3 in there. Adds a bit more detail to it. Okay, bottom part of the legs. Again, like we did with the arms, you're going to come outwards with those. And the same with the other side. Trying to keep them the same size and shape. And then big chunky feet. Like that. And some bolts for toes. Okay, pretty much it. So I'm going to go over that with my thin black pen. So I'll fast forward it at this point. And there you have the cartoon robot. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Quick Draw Toons.